how to give control in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to give control in Microsoft Teams, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with the Microsoft Teams application, or you can just go with your browser. So go with www.microsoft.teams, and under that go with sign in and make sure to sign into your account. Now once you've signed into your account, you'll get this kind of interface. What you need to do is you just need to simply go with the meeting. So you just need to simply enter a meeting. For example, I'll be just starting a meeting. Now, once you started your meeting, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that people option. And under people, if you want to give control to someone, then you just need to simply click on the people or go with the right side of that person, which has that three dots, and you will have give control option. So just add participants in your call and just tap on the people and then give control. You may have give control option right here on the upper right side. Just need to simply go with give control and then give control in your Microsoft Teams. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.